Hello friends, welcome back to Devak Media. Hope you're doing good. I'm Devak and today in this video I will be talking about the Pebble Zen Pro smartwatch. This smartwatch has a variety of features which no other smartwatch in this price segment offers you. But before proceeding, I would like to thank Cell World Wakad for helping me out with this product. They have a variety of products and you may get products from Cell World at a better price than you get online. Also, you get 1 year guarantee with counter replacement. The details of Cell World is given in the description. So let us begin. First, let's talk about the build quality. This is how the watch looks after unboxing. The quality, I would say it's decent, gives you a good feeling after wearing. The buttons are quite clicky and overall I have no complaints about the build quality. Let us talk about the display and the battery life. The display is of 1.3 inch and of course is a color and touch display. The quality I would say is fantastic for the price it is offered. Now talking about the battery capacity is 180 mAh which can last for 15 days and can be charged in just 2 hours. Now let us talk about the watch UI. The watch UI according to me is decent but offers you less customization features within the watch. On swiping from left to right, you can access a rotating dial which has all the applications available in the watch. On rotating the dial, it gives you a nice vibration which I was really impressed of. On swiping from top to bottom, you can see a status bar similar to the ones in phone where you can access quick settings like flashlight, display brightness and many more. Then further, on swiping from right to left, you can access some quick toggles through which you can see your heart rate, number of steps and messages if the phone is connected. Now it's time to connect the watch to the phone. It can be connected to an application called Devak. The watch can be connected quickly and here you can find a number of watch faces and even edit them. You can also shoot images using the application and control it through your Zen Pro. Now, I would like to talk about the features of Zen Pro. It is completely water resistant. The sensors has the ability to track heart rate, SpO2, blood pressure, calorie, steps and sleep. The extra features provided within the watch are stopwatch, reminder, timer, multiple watch faces, multiple games, multiple sports modes and meditative breathing. Finally, talking about the connectivity features of the Zen Pro. You can receive text messages and even read them. You can reject or silent calls. You can set alarms, check weather and even receive social media notifications using your Zen Pro. These are only possible because of the Bluetooth connectivity of the Zen Pro. The Zen Pro has Bluetooth 5.0 helping it connect with your smartphone quickly. That's all for today guys. Hope the video was interesting. If you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe to get notified for more videos. Click the bell icon and if someone is planning to buy a Zen Pro, share this video with them.